In today's video, how to make no measuring pancakes, fruit funny face style or calzone cheese and tomato. Hello, today I'm going to be making no measuring pancakes. You don't need to measure anything, you just need a cup or a mug. You also need flour, some milk and pinch of salt, a bit of butter or oil to do your cooking with, and 1 egg. That is all you need. Now I'm going to show you 2 ways to do it. Either you can make them into pancakes that are regular style. American pancakes are really fluffy and small and yummy, and you can add fruits to them and also syrup or lemon and sugar. Or how to eat them savoury style in a sort of calzone way with cheese and tomato and savoury filling. So to kick off, we need to stop our children from arguing and then return to make the pancakes. See you in a sec. So here I have a mixing bowl and I'm now going to crack an egg into it. A good tip for cracking an egg is do it at the edge. It's always good to do it at the edge if you don't want to break the yolk. Obviously I don't mind if I'm breaking the yolk today because I'm not making poached eggs, for instance, but in it goes. So I've broken mine in the middle actually because I don't need the yolk intact. So there we are. So there you can see my egg is in the bowl with its broken yolk, but that doesn't matter. I'm not making poached eggs, so everything is fine. Next you need to add your milk, a cup or a mug of milk. In it goes. We were running low on milk actually, and ours is full fat milk, so I have put half of milk and half of water. Then you need to put a cup of flour in. So I'm doing this in real time. Measure out my flour. There we go. Cup or a mug of flour, in it goes. Pancakes need a pinch of salt because it gives that sort of kick and brings the flavour out. So add a pinch of salt. You could, if you're making sweet pancakes, add a tiny bit of vanilla extract and they'll be like, they'll be like, you know, vanilla-y sweet pancakes.
I'm your new helper.
Are you my new helper? Okay, that's fine. Then I've got a fork here and I'm just gonna whisk it all. You could get a whisk actually.
What are you making?
I'm making pancakes.
Ooh, that sounds yummy.
Do you like pancakes?
Yes. Batman loves pancakes.
Okay, Batman. What's your favourite filling in a pancake?
My favourite filling, Nutella.
Oh, chocolate spread. Okay, that's not exactly healthy. I'm going to show how to make sweet pancakes, which you could have with fruit or even chocolate spread, and also how you can make it into a savoury pancake, like a calzone style cheese and tomato pancake, which is really good. Do you want to have a little mix? Yeah. Doesn't matter if there's a few lumps in there because they will come out when you put the mixture in your pan. There we go. I think we're ready to put it on the heat. Do you think so, Hux?
I'm Batman, not Hux. Who's Hux?
Oh yeah.
I'm Batman.
So I'm turning the heat on, and then on your pan you could put a knob of butter or whatever you're cooking with. Trusty takeaway spoon. I love these wooden takeaway spoons. I use them a lot. You know, it's good to not have single use anything. And so even though they're disposable, I use them for cooking. Okay, so I've just put butter around my
I
pan.
see Robin! Robin, I'm coming!
And it's on the heat. Batman has gone to be with Robin. So these are going to be smallish pancakes. So you could dollop them on with a ladle if you wanted, or a big tablespoon. I cannot find either of those things in my drawer.
Sorry, I had to help Robin.
Where's my tablespoon? Big tablespoon. Here we go. Look, this is actually a serving spoon, which is perfect. Not even a tablespoon. There we go. So now I'm going to make my first pancake. And they should be about the size of a compact disc. So, you know, not big pancakes. Smaller ones, because they've got self-raising flour. They're pretty fluffy. Now, while that is cooking, let me tell you the options. You can add in some blueberries. Do you want me to put blueberries in this one? Batman is not sure. Or
those are not blueberries.
Chopped strawberries. No, but I've got some blueberries I can get if you want. He's looking at these grapes and thinking I was referring to them. I have been known to put grape halves in. Don't spread it out. It's not supposed to be a big pancake.
Oh.
That's the whole point.
Don't shout.
Well, no, I'm not shouting. I don't want to have a dispute with you on camera. But I just wanted it to be a circle, and now you've stopped it being a circle. But that's okay. That's okay. I don't mind. It's okay. We can have a non-circular pancake. They're quite fat, these pancakes.
You could just cut it in half.
I know. No, it's fine now. It's fine now. Now, if it's got lumps, you can also smooth over the top with your spatula. Hopefully, you're going to get your parents to be helping you with anything that's on a hob.
I thought you said the lumps would go away.
Yeah, see, they've gone now. Can you see? They've gone. There's no lumps now. Clever, huh? Because those lumps of flour, you don't want bits of flour. But other people might use a sieve, or they might mix their mixture better.
When people make pancakes, they normally just make it as big as the pan.
I know, but these are sort of fluffy, smaller American-style pancakes. I'll just show you. There's mine. It's a bit fluffier.
You're tilting it like you didn't tell me to.
Well, no, they're not American. I'm just calling them American style.
We're British.
Yes.
And B, we're in Britain.
Well, just because I'm using self-raising flour,
go away.
which makes them a bit fluffier because it rises a bit and there's air that goes in.
Robin was saying that.
That was Robin, and this is Batman. Okay, so once your pancake looks no longer liquidy, as you can see, and it's starting to cook a bit, you can get a spatula to give it a flip. I've got a spatula here. Just going to press it down to check the other side is completely cooked. Okay, shall I give it a flip, Hux?
I'm not Hux again.
Oh,
I'm
yeah,
Batman.
sorry, Batman. Shall I give it a flip?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Why do you keep on saying Hux?
Steady, flip. Now
If you
I'll show you what it looks
call
like.
me Batman, just
that was
call
very
me
clever.
Bat.
That's sort of what it looks like, if you can see that. There we are. And then cook the other side. So we're not putting blueberries in this one. I'm going to get a plate. You can entertain the masses, Batman.
What?
Just tell a joke.
Okay. Why do I even need to tell a joke? Okay, fine.
It's too late. You missed your chance.
No.
Yes, you missed your chance.
No, I didn't.
Go on then, tell a joke.
Wait, what joke can I do? I need to think fast.
Think of the funniest joke you know.
Not talk.
Okay, so this is coming out on the
Who's
pan.
that?
There we go. So that is
Twitter.
how to make a plain one. So you could have that with
I didn't know you were an owl.
Now I'm going to show you
Get it?
how
you
to
were
make...
like, Twitter.
What are you saying?
Twitter who? I was saying a joke like you told me to.
Oh, okay, go on. Say the joke, because I missed it.
I already said. Oh, okay.
Go on.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Twitter.
Twitter who?
I didn't know you were an owl.
Ah, Twitter who? Twitter who? Okay, knock, knock.
Who's there?
Woo.
Woohoo.
No need to celebrate, it's just me. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Boo.
Boo-hoo.
No need to cry, it's just me. Okay, so.
You keep on doing the best jokes.
Oh,
wait,
sorry.
Wait, no. Here's enough joke. What did the boy volcano say to the girl volcano?
I don't know.
I laugh at you.
I laugh at you. That's so cute. Okay, so our finished pancake was made in real time. I did it all from scratch in front of your eyes, and it took less than 10 minutes. And I'm going to just serve this one. Do you want some blueberries on that?
Oh, yeah. Whatever you want in there.
Okay, so
Oh, that's not real. I thought you were going to cook the blueberries.
Oh, do you want me? Okay, I'm going to do one where I cook the blueberries in it because that's a good idea. I can do more than just blueberries. I can do lots of different fruit. Is that a good idea?
Grapes, strawberries, and blueberries. Oh no, we only have 2
So
grapes.
if you are doing other fruit, like grapes, chop them in half. Strawberries, I usually chop them into quarters. Bananas, you want to put in discs if you're putting them in. Wait.
I'm going to say one more joke.
Go on.
So, what do you call a box of ducks?
I don't know. What do you call a box of ducks?
A box of crackers.
Okay, did you make that up? That's
Yeah.
really funny.
Oh,
That's
not really.
good.
I saw it in a book.
Did you? It's really
For
good.
Batman.
Okay, well done, Batman. Okay, so this time, Batman, I'm going to make you a blueberry pancake. Shall I chop some grapes into it as well? What do you reckon?
Just put whatever you want in it.
Really?
I love all kinds
Mixed
of
fruit. We're out of bananas, so I can't put any banana circles. But it's good that you like all kinds of fruit because that is healthy.
All
Just
of my
making my
all
circle
of the
a bit
fruits
bigger.
in the world is my favourite.
Really? I don't think
Yeah.
you've tried all of the fruits. In
Yes,
the
I
whole
have.
world.
Even dragon fruit.
Is that your favourite?
Cherry.
Okay, so now I'm going to put some blueberries in here.
Robin!
Shall I make a blueberry face? I'm going to make a blueberry face by 2 blueberries as an eyes and a nose, and then I'm cutting a blueberry in half to make a little blueberry mouth. There we go. I'm going to show you my blueberry face. There we go. That's the blueberry face pancake I've made. I might stick in some chopped grapes and strawberries. I'm going to make my smile a bit bigger. With some grapes. There we go. There. Show you it with a bigger smile. Hello, I'm a blueberry and grape pancake. 1, 2, 3, flip. There we go. Okay, we're no longer in real time because I paused that while I cooked my my smiley face pancake, and I added some strawberry ears in. See if you can see that. Can you see some strawberry ears? Oh, it slipped off. I'll show you actually when it's on the plate. Let me stick it on the plate. And so there we go. There's my smiley face pancake. I added some strawberries in for ears. You can put hair as well if you want. And then I'm going to put that next to my plain pancake. There we are. So now I'm going to show you how to make a third option, which is our savoury calzone-style cheese and tomato pancake. Time now for pancake number 3, and this one is going to be our savoury calzone-style pancake. So I'm going to put it on to cook, and then while I do that, we're going to get ready to make and put our filling in. Calzone one is good in a circle, so I am smoothing my round with my little wooden takeaway spoon to make it into a good circle. And then while I leave that to cook, the pancake's cooking, we need to grate some cheese and chop some tiny little tomato pieces. So that's what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to get my chopping board. So now we just need to grate some cheese. Cheese and tomato work really well in these calzone pancakes. So get a load of cheese grated. And then when you chop up your tomato, it's good to chop it up really small into tiny little pieces. You can also put other bits and pieces in. You could put some sweet corn if you wanted. I'm just going to keep mine simple. But whatever you put in, cut it up in really small pieces. So now I'm just cutting up some tomato here. And the smaller the pieces, the better. Now, obviously, knives are really sharp and dangerous. So it's good to get someone to help you do the chopping. So I'm going to now check on how my pancake is. Once you have turned your pancake over, then you need to sprinkle your cheese on one half of your pancake and then also your bits of tomato. So as you can see, the cheese and tomato is in the pan on one half of the pancake. So next what you need to do is get your spatula. I'm trying to film this and do the action at the same time. And gently, we're going to fold it over in half. There we go. And then press it down. And that is so that you get a semicircle like that. So press it down calzone style. And then we are going to leave it a bit longer to cook so that that cheese melts in and around the tomato. Okay, it doesn't take long at all. My calzone style pancake is on my spatula, ready to serve onto the plate. Oh, Batman has returned. Hello, Batman.
Hello.
So Batman's just in time because we have 3 pancakes. Just to recap, we've got our regular pancake, which can be sweet or savoury depending on what we add to it. We've got our funny fruit face pancake, which is a good dessert pancake, good to eat with Greek yogurt. And then we've got our calzone style cheese and tomato pancake that you can add other little bits to if you want, maybe tuna or sweet corn. And I'm ready to see what the taste testers make of it. So I'm going to cut all of these in half. What do you reckon? Number 1 son. Oh, do you want to put something on it? Do you want to put something on it?
No, because I kind of taste these ones.
Okay.
So, yeah.
So now you've each got a fruit pancake. Wow, you finished the other one quickly. Is it all gone?
It's in my mouth.
Both of you have finished it. Wowzers, that must be good. Okay, you can go for fruity now. There's the fruity one.
I only have a strawberry left.
Wow, and I didn't even put anything else with it, just pure fruit and pancake. Okay, so now we're going to go for the calzone pancake, which is the 3rd pancake. Do you want to take that, Hux? Okay, you're taking the whole plate. Okay. And off you go, munch, munch, munch. Do you like the calzone pancake? Is it yummy?
Yeah. Super yummy to me because it tastes like an omelette. If you put mushrooms in Kofi would actually like it.
I think he does like it already, but he does love a mushroom. Empty plates. What's your verdict, Hux?
Well, what does that mean?
What did you think of the pancake?
It was really good, all of them. But the one with the fruit was my favourite because it has all kinds of different yummy fruits in.
Did you like them, Cove?
Yeah.
Happy pancake eating. Why not try calzone style for main course and then fruit funny face for pudding. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, spread the word, and bye.